My name is Boitshepo Moloi, and I am 24 years of age, and I love presenting. I love reading. I want to go to Hollywood because I believe I've got the voice that will speak for the voiceless when it comes to a media industry in Botswana, because I believe it is still at an infant stage. Welcome to Gemstone, Botswana. Well, it is back again, looking for dancers and actors, but looking for talent. So if you think you've got what it takes to be, if you think you've got the talent, then this is your time to shine. Well, because you stand a chance to win a trip to Hollywood, where you'll be equipped with the right skills, and you'll be mingling with the media gurus who will be nurturing and polishing that gemstone in you. So if you think you've got what it takes, this is your time to shine. See you in New York. From me, your girl Boitshepo Moloi. Bye bye.